Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make salad divine in your garden. First, select a variety of greens, like crisp romaine and tender butter lettuce, for a delightful mix of textures. Don't forget to include aromatic herbs such as dill, chives, and basil to elevate the flavor profile. Planning your garden layout carefully ensures each plant receives ideal sunlight and nutrient-rich soil, setting the stage for a truly divine salad experience right from your backyard. Once you've planned, it's time to grow. Plant your seeds or seedlings in well-drained soil, spaced approximately 6 inches apart for healthy development. Consistent watering is crucial. Aim for about 1 inch of water per week, adjusting for rainfall. Protect your plants from common garden pests using organic solutions, like neem oil or companion herbs, ensuring a bountiful and healthy harvest for your salads. Harvesting at the right time makes all the difference. Gather your greens in the cool morning hours when their leaves are at their crispest, using clean shears or gently plucking them by hand. Always wash all your freshly picked produce thoroughly under cool, running water to remove any soil or garden debris. Then, combine your vibrant greens, aromatic herbs, and other garden vegetables to create a truly fresh and flavorful base for your divine salad. Now for the finishing touches. Craft a simple, delicious vinaigrette using high-quality olive oil, a good vinegar, and fresh herbs from your garden. Enhance your salad with delightful toppings such as toasted nuts, crumbled cheese, or even beautiful edible flowers for an extra touch of elegance. For more gardening inspiration and recipes, check out the link in the description for the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Enjoy your truly divine garden fresh salad.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.